Good morning. Good morning. You have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Oh, you have the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups?